Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my Arctic Cat 90. This has just a regular, not very good front suspension. Yeah, not very good. Very hard. My front suspension is very hard. And now, Courtney, watch, have this on me. Don't drop it. Better not drop my camera. This is a really good back suspension. I have it right here. And even with the parking brake, hey, back here. It's a really good back suspension. I love the suspension in the back. It really saves my back. It fires up fine other than when it's cold. It hates firing up when it's cold. It's been warmed up today, so it will have no problem, and I don't have my rubber thing on my key because I don't want to get copyrighted. It has different companies on my keychain, so I don't want to get copyrighted. That doesn't really fit the red. So, oh wait. It starts up fine. You turn the key. As you can see, that light turns on. Or you can put it in reverse and the reverse light will turn on. And it doesn't have a light for forward. See, that one's not on. That one's not on. So yeah, it fires up. Hold this. It fires up fine. Backlight works. It does have an automatic front light system, and it does work. So Courtney, hold this. And I did make custom doors for it.
Hi guys, I'm Courtney.
Hold on, make sure I have it. Okay, so that was a ride. So this is the back brake right here, and this is the front brake. So yeah, and I also got some gun racks. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit the like button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Guys, there's one other thing I forgot to say earlier, and it's extremely dark out here. I'm gonna need this.
Okay.
I forgot to say this. That right there is the shifter. You move it up and down. Okay, can you hold the light like that? You will move it up and down when it's on. Like, doesn't really want to right now. Maybe I can turn the key on and then it will work. Yeah. And then you can see these lights a lot better. No light. See, that's the neutral. That's a red light, so that's reverse. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit that like button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next.